An online petition calling for the US to declare Pakistan a state sponsor of terror has gained over 600,000 signatures, making it one of the most supported since the White House petition service was launched in 2011. The online action supports a bill sponsored by Texas Congressman Ted Poe along with California Representative Dana Rohrabacher. This was introduced 2 weeks ago. It accuses Pakistan's inter-services intelligence of helping to harbor terrorist groups including the Taliban, the Haqqani network and al-qaeda. It also claims the agency helps the groups to purchase weapons. The bill demands that the White House either designate the government of Pakistan as a state sponsor of terror or justify to Congress why it refuses to do so.